In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, peace be upon you and God's mercy and blessings. God willing, we will make a potato tray with Roman cheese and milk together today. Its method is very easy, and by the grace of God it turns out very beautiful. We start in the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful, with ingredients. I have 1.25 kilos of potatoes cut thinly like chips. About 8 kilos of grated Roman cheese, which you can increase or decrease according to your preference, and about 1 kilo of milk, along with around 2 eggs and some spices, just salt and black pepper. You will also need about 2 teaspoons of salt for boiling the potatoes, and about half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper to add to the potatoes when we pour the milk over them. Of course, you will need water for boiling the potatoes. We start in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. First, I put the water to boil and add the salt. After the water has boiled, we will add the potatoes and then drain them so they don't get mushy. I want to mash them, but not too much. So now the potatoes are ready, and I will add salt and black pepper to the eggs and mix them well. After that, I will start layering half of the potatoes in the tray that I have greased well with ghee. The potatoes should be almost in a single layer. Once I have layered half of the potatoes, I will place the Roman cheese in the middle, and then I will layer the second half of the potatoes. After finishing layering the potatoes, I will mix the eggs with the milk and stir it very well. Then I will pour it over the potatoes, making sure the milk covers the top of the potatoes well. Now, I have placed the tray in the oven at 180 degrees, putting it on the bottom rack. When it dries and absorbs the milk well, I will move it to the middle rack to brown. This is how the potatoes look after they have dried and browned on top. I placed it under the grill for about 3 minutes. Now I will let it cool, and then we will cut it, God willing. After the potatoes have cooled, I will slice the edges and cut it, and it looks beautiful, God willing. Try it, and I hope you like it. Enjoy your meal.